na number 11.
Huwag niyo bibigay naman, ha?
Bakla. Bakla.
Talo kami, talo.
Richard, binasak ng face.
Hawak, hawak. Careful.
The ball goes to number 11. Good job. Pass to number 34. 34. Pass to number 12, Jerry. Jerry setting the play. Jerry. Pass to number 34. Pass to number 7. Canlas is open. No good. The ball goes to number 9. The Wetting Boys.
Wetting Boys! Nadali!
Mendoza, number 19, Silverio.
Alunin nyo na, Wizard!
Pass to number 23.
Yes! Oo!
Same ball.
Yay!
Inbound by number 16.
Ay! Nakawala yan!
Pass to number 6, Mendoza. Pass to number 19, Silverio. Fake. Shot. No good. The ball goes to number 44. Pass to number... Oh, bad pass. Yellow's ball.
Hoy. Hoy. Don. Paano ba?
Here comes number 6.
Ano ba nangyari?
Ha?
Ano nangyari?
Wala. Sabi
Pass
sa
to
Laglag sila, laglag.
Naglag Wizard.
Cavaliers
number 19. Pass to number 16. Salvador. Spot. Good this time.
Puro boarding natin yung ano, puro boarding.
8 minutes and 34 seconds left.
No bearing laro namin no bearing laro
Go
namin.
Olander. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 34 again. Pass to number 7. Canlas is all in. No good again. The ball goes to number 12. Jerry. Control the ball. Pass to number 44. Santana. Still by number 19. Silverio continues dribbling. Still by number 12. Jerry. Pass to number 34. Number 34. Pass to number 11. The ball goes to number 44. Santana. Follow up by number 44. Santana.
Yay! Ball niya, Wizards! Yes!
2 is the score. First deadlock.
Don.
Here comes
Sir
number
Ole,
19.
sabi mo para masira.
Pass to number 6. Mendoza. Pass to number 19.
Baka kayo, boarding natin yan.
Number 16. Pass to number 19. Silverio. Pass to the Webbing. No good. The ball goes to number 19. Silverio. Pass to number 6. Mendoza. Number 19. Thinking 3. Pass to number 6. Mendoza. Spot. No good. The ball goes to Gray ball. 7 minutes and 4 seconds left. Here comes number 34.
Tamba ka na, Wizards! Tamba ka na!
Number 34. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 34 again. Pass to number 7. Canlas. Pass to number 44. Santana!
Kabahan, puta ka front!
Here comes number 7. Canlas. Spot. No good. The ball goes to foul. Loose ball foul by number 9.
Nice trophy!
First personal foul. Pass to number 6. Mendoza is open. Good for 2 by Mendoza. Nice score. 4-2 is the score.
Mga Wizards!
Ay, batiin nyo naman doon, Nuggets. Ayaw nyo ba batiin?
The Wizards lead by 2. Here comes number 34. De La Cruz. Pass to number 34 again. Pass to Oy.
Bounce!
Same ball. Pass to number 34. De La Cruz.
'Bounce pass!
10 second shot clock.
Mali kasi yun eh, mali.
34. Pass to number 30. 5 second shot clock. 34. The ball goes to number 23. Cruz. Pass to number 6. Number 6 Mendoza. Pass to number 23 Cruz. Pass to number 6. Pass to number 23. Steal by number 11. Number 11. Pass to bad pass.
Ayaw ko makakita ang laro nila.
4-2 is the score. 2-point lead by Wizard. Here comes number 19. Pass to number 9. Number 9.
Baton!
Looking for the open man. Lopez. Offensive foul.
Nice!
By number 9, Lopez. Lopez, second personal foul. Third.
Talo na yan, Wizard.
Here comes number 34. Number 34. Pass to number 34, pass to number 12, number 12, pass to number 44, Santa Ana is open. Foul.
Okay.
Foul by number
Ayun na naman.
13. De Guzman. First personal foul, warning sa penalty. Ball shot by number 44, Santa Ana. No good, the ball goes to number 12, Jerry. It's good this time.